Look at this flower on the screen right here. This is not a graphic designer work. This is AI work here. I use AI to generate this birthday flower, this church flower too. They actually look like the person, clear, classy, and professional here. Look at how good they look. So if you want to design all this is a business fly here, church fly. All these things were generate using AI to generate this. So follow me step by step. I'm going to use ChatGPT to describe the prompt. After describing the prompt, then I'll head over to Google Gemini or Nano Banana to generate the flower I want to just fly here. This is the original flower which I look up to generate this beautiful church flower. See that I change everything here, change the church detail here, the name of the church and all of that. I change everything to the Church of Pentecost. So if you want to do the same thing, just follow me step by step. Now this is where ChatGPT become powerful. You have two options here. First option is to upload the image to ChatGPT. The second one is to describe the image yourself. Then ChatGPT will convert your description into a professional design prompt. If it can upload the flower image directly and ask ChatGPT this image prompt, analyze or describe this birthday flower and write a highly detailed AI to recreate a similar design. Once you give ChatGPT this prompt, upload the reference image, and once you have done that, click on generate and watch AI generate it beautifully for you. Copy the prompt and go to Nano Banana or Google Gemini, upload the reference image and upload the image. If you find that particular image, then you upload the image, paste the ChatGPT prompt and add the names that you want to see on YouTube on the old birthday flyer you found, and then put your own name or any other names you want them to appear in the flyer, the age. You can change everything in the flyer and put your own things. The same thing, you put your own words. You can change all the words in the flyer and put your own words so that your flyer will look totally different from the reference flyer you are looking up to design is exactly thing. So once you have done that, click on generate. Now you have your birthday flyer ready for social media or wow, look at how beautiful it is. So this one, if nobody has tell you this have been generated by AI, you will never know. So this is how it look beautiful. So if you want to learn this one, you don't need any training, you don't need any experience. All you need to is just follow my tutorial step by step too, so you can be able to download, you can be able to design this for yourself. If it is approaching your birthday and you want to design a birthday flyer, just follow me step by step. Just follow my video step by step to generate this. Look at the design. The design is perfect, exactly to the design that I asked ChatGPT to describe. So you can download it here. Look at the download button here. Look at it here. Download, type on this, then your image will be downloaded to your device. Now image downloading. This is the original design, and this is the original design, and this is the one I designed it myself using ChatGPT. So now let's generate a church flower. Whenever you are designing a church flower, make sure that the flower don't have to look boring. Some flowers, when you see the program flower, you yourself will feel bored because the flower doesn't look nicely. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to design the powerful church flower using ChatGPT and then AI. while maintaining the spiritual and professional look, like the birthday flyer I've already shown you. So also follow this one step by step how to design a church flyer. Wow. You see, this one is also nice. I mean, this is a design that you don't need any graphic design skills. All you need is just give ChatGPT the prompt so that ChatGPT will generate a well-detailed prompt for you to generate your own flyer. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel.